Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making strawberry cake. This cake, guys, is filled with fresh strawberries and is delicious. It's extra moist. It's the ultimate sliceable sweet breakfast through dessert. So guys, let's get started. First things first, we are going to mix wet ingredients in a large mixing bowl. Combine eggs and sugar. Beat that together for 3 minutes until thick, fluffy, and foamy light yellow. Now add buttermilk, vegetable oil, vanilla extract, and strawberry extract. Mix until well combined. Add the flour to the batter in 2 batches, mixing well after each addition. Dice the strawberries for the center of the cake, then half the strawberries for the top of the cake, then set aside. Next, grease your pan with cooking spray, then line it with a parchment paper. Pour half of your batter into the pan, then use the spatula to even the top. Sprinkle the diced strawberries over the top. Now cover with the remaining batter and even the top. Top with halved strawberries. Bake the cake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes or until the toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. The cake is out of the oven. Allow it to cool completely before you dust with powdered sugar. Serve this cake with whipped cream or strawberry sauce. Guys, I love the smell of this cake. My house smells so good. I hope you enjoyed this video. This cake, guys, is so yummy and delicious. It's really easy to make. So guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like, then subscribe and hit that notification bell so we stay connected. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my heart.